Beauty of analysis once again. I had asked you to sell gold at 1934 and expect first target at 1930. Precisely it is achieved. I hope you all profited. And a sell entry on silver was at 2380. I hope you all profited there. Now what to expect with the US session? See, this was the first update which I had released few hours back. It has already yielded you good profits. So now with the US session, how you can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. It is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates with best of my abilities. Also, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel where you get the live updates. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first in looking to gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. See, on the hourly charts, gold, as I shared, trading with divergence, trading bearish here. Yes, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback. 1930 we all know is a good support, and now with the support at 1930 we are seeing a little recovery. But it is not a buy until and unless it crosses 1940 levels. Beyond 1940 is where we can see little bullishness, where 1945-46 will be the next target. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD is extremely divergent bearish. It is hit a bottom so far, but you can see if the highs are at so high level, then lows can further stretch on the downside. RSI oversold. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, double bottom, diminishing bearishness. This candle might show a little pullback. It can see moving averages are converging and possibly might cross over. However, yes, those who want to buy or trade with slight risk for 20-30 pips, you can definitely expect that it might try to achieve 1935, which is a great resistance. Now see, previously it was a support, now it is going to be the resistance. But a buying entry is only above 1940 levels. Remember this fact. The stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. I will watch out if it stays below 1930. See, it can drop. It can stretch outside Bollinger Bands. However, a pullback will also be equally imminent, that it is going to show a pullback. Hence, if you see gold staying below 1930, you can sell. However, remember, a pullback will be imminent here, even if it tries to drop for 1926-24 zone, which is the strongest support. It is definitely going to show a pullback if it does this in current candle. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, MACD extremely divergent and bearish, RSI almost at bottom. Coming to 4-hour chart, now see, similarly on the 4-hour charts, now 20 period moving average is curving down. Every candle just kissing the 20 period moving average and failing to break past wire. Now if you look at for this candle, the 20 period is at around 1938. This makes 1938-40 zone as the critical resistance. And on the upside, 1945 is definitely, 45-46 is definitely a great resistance, only above which you can expect bullishness in gold. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bearish on the 4-hour charts. Now see, the bottom levels are here. It has achieved the highs. It has seen a sharp drop. It is a vertical drop here. RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts, see, we have seen earlier in the day that it is trying to form this parallel formation. This is a good bullish flag, and a drop on the downside below 1930 might bring little bearishness. Still, it is going to get the support from the 20 period moving average at 1924-26, and this is the next strongest support zone here, which is at around 1820 levels. Yes, this candle might stretch. Do not think that it cannot break. It can. However, what I see here is if it is bullish, if it wants to create a flag, possibly a recovery from here cannot be denied. The stochastic looking down, MACD was sharply bullish. It has converged here, and RSI is looking downwards. This is also bearish side. Considering this, now see 1935, which was the resistance earlier, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance. And then 1938-40. Those who want to risk their capital can buy at 1934-35 levels, but then remember, it is just a pullback. It is not a reversal. It can drop again, and hence we have to remain extremely cautious. Those who want to trade safe should only buy at 1940 levels, above which 1944-46 zone is going to come, which is going to be definitely a great support. On the downside, those who are already short at 1934, 1930 was the first target. This is achieved. Now you can take a re-entry again at 1930. Expect 1924-26 levels as the next strongest support. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on 11th of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID that are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. You will find, see, there is a reversal sign here, and post reversal this is consolidating. Now I have told several times 2340-60 is a great support for silver here. It is precisely staying within the zone. Now if you see sell price above 2360, you can initiate a buying entry. However, remember, as long as 2380 is respected, do not trade this as reversal. Only about 2380 and $24 levels is where silver will try to reverse and it will turn bullish. The stochastic trading extremely oversold. MACD is at bottom, trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. This possibly calls for a little reversal in silver. RSI extremely oversold. This also calls for a possible rise. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence. This is the resistance zone here on the 2-hour charts. Yes, but right now everything is oversold in silver. Every time frame it is oversold, and hence you can initiate a buying entry at around 2360 levels. Possibly it might recover for 2380 levels. The stochastic oversold. MACD extremely divergent, extremely bearish. RSI is also oversold. Coming to 3 hour, if you look at 3 hour charts, the candle size has diminished here. It is getting smaller. This is suggestive of that prices are not willing to stay bearish here, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied towards 2380, 2375 levels. The stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. RSI is oversold. Looking at 4 hour, similar observation. Candles stayed outside Bollinger Bands. Body size has diminished here, suggesting that the bearishness has diminished here. This also calls for a little reversal. How far it can try to match up this candle, which is 2370, and then little higher at around 2380? Yes, but look at the crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bearish cross. This is a sharp drop. And the next resistance zone about 2380-24 is this levels at 2410 and 2420 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely bearish. RSI is oversold. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. You will find this is a castle, and it is almost formed the second half of this building. Now from here it can replicate completely. It can form the second wall out here on the daily charts. But remember, 5 to 6 straight red candles, and what it may try to achieve is, see, it has already breached this channel. That is very important. I will expect it to close above this channel, which keeps it sane for the next round. And for the day, you can see they started flat at 24 levels, and since then we have seen only bearishness in silver. Now I think the drop is done. It should not break 2340 in any case today. If means that chances of a drop below 2340 are very less. And see, moving averages have started to converge here. Possibly a little retracement on the upside can be seen. The stochastic oversold. MACD is converging, and it is willing to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. So considering this now a selling entry on silver, I will recommend only and only if you see silver staying below 2340 levels, below which 2320, and if it breaks below 2320, the next stoppage is 2280, 2250 levels. Chances are less that it is going to do this today itself, and hence you have to trade with caution. And on the upside, about 2360, you can initiate a buying entry. However, 2375, 80 levels are going to be great resistance, and then 2405 levels. So these levels, as long as 24 is not breached today, do not treat silver as bullish. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And yes, you should join or you should invest in your learning first, which is the only tool to reap profits throughout your life. If you have the right learning, if you have the right knowledge, if you have the right tools, definitely you can generate profits from the market. So reach out to me regarding the mentorship batch. My Telegram and email are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the US and Asia session, Europe and Asia session update. Thank you.